Hello and greetings to all the people of Southern Highlands now, Papua New Guinea. We all students of Pacific Adventist University, Southern Highlands students. We play Kambung law, start time law. Talk about this issue and make come up inside law. Blessed be me, Southern Highlands province. This is a peaceful protest where we play students. Mipla, sometimes mipla born lab, sometimes mipla grow up low. It's a place, and mipla live in life for mipla, and we know that in our hearts that Mendi is a peaceful place. It has always been a peaceful place until this election politics and come in law. But having peace to mipla inside the town of mipla. So on behalf of the Southern Highlands students of Pacific Adventist University, I would like to firstly share him deepest condolence, heartfelt condolence message from the bottom of our hearts with tears in our eyes. Because stop longer a place but heart pumibla, not thinking pumibla, stop on them Southern Highlands. Mibla sharing big deepest condolence pumibla. Come to Jubla outside innocent properties now. Lives lost, blood and shed inside the street of Southern Highlands. Blessed be me, Mendi. Now, Imeram Ganem, Pyra, Bushknife, Pyra. This life bringing big black fear come inside the blessed be me. On behalf of the Southern Highlands Student Association, Pacific Adventist University, Basalem, the best. Soren, condolence, Pinta. Come to Jubla, people go. Mendi town, Southern Highlands province. Second day, Mendi and town Bujumi, Named Kotablo, Southern Highlands province. It is our only town. Mibla no sagulo narapla blocks in service. Mibla sa bandilik soap. Omo bumdam takang painin no town. Lilik market bumda fish market to. Meat market bumda buhay market. Mibla sarem no town bumita. Because town bumita and sabe 7 mibla na people bumita. That's all this to even people affect and may come up. The ongoing problems may come up and may affect 3 aspects of our town. Environment may be destroyed. Economy may destroyed. Lilik market or some mito pinis or some maybe sa depend on top longam. Maybe sa market maybe sa survive longam. Pagkatas tuwa blam tayo pass. Business houses and close. Market shut down, education, schools no mibla tu, saveron long and pass. Now mibla no clear all. Grade 8 student bumda ba making them, grade 10 student bumda ba making them, even grade 11, 12 tu, all ba making them mibla no clear. Mibla wata mibla big plus or a plus to mibla. Osen na mibla kamusen no talk about him. This ta, lo peace and must come up. Thirdly, social interaction bumda lo plus. Plus mibla sa only man wantem na mibla sa drink cola wantem na mibla sa staff wantem tas all. It's like something emi come up na emi come pagrap in peace to mibla inside the town to mibla na mibla wala staff wantem big tawari na big tasore. Social interactions to mibla sa tugtugan na story o sem one talk na one mibla sa staff wantem ya Islam emi pagrap emi no stop more. Buying and selling, education are affected. Small scale and large scale enterprises have totally shut down due to the problem. And become up now. So now it's the time. Mipla la to some more points we state in Penis our economy, social, environment mipla destroyed. Mipla all beginning the Southern Highlands. Mipla feeling big the worry lo blessed mipla. Osem na mipla la call upon government lo please Prime Minister James Marabe lo leadership in office do mi baka big respect lo leadership na office do you the leadership you play in charge lo Papua New Guinea not to thank you lo dista but please want them sorry na broken heart na I want them asking you if you can declare him SOE inside the Southern Highlands province so that all memory can see peace can be restored now. Let's go, forest can go, threat and we can go. maybe I can feel in peace again, and maybe I can walk boom on them again.
Thank you. Mi plaul magi tende tuberi kibru longo wak longo tende onjo map Mendi market PTP you want the boys you've been established lab and place plomula mdol magi authority saka skon lab sa drink cola lab round lab grow up lab play rugby lab sports lab and mogora sani have been destroyed mila taking the time la appeal golo or political candidates which they've been stopped behind seen and unseen. If you want, like you've been involved or been involved, you'll stand up on behalf of people of Southern Highlands. You'll stand up, you'll carry name, Lord. But what you make him, you feel him, or you make him the evil something, we have no straight. We have been contribute to that place where I'm up. Me appeal on behalf of our students, the Southern Highlands, the Pacific Adventist University. Me appeal, please withdraw him over. One something you've been using, car, gun, or one something, masses, bush knife, you've been using petrol, one something you've been using background la town, me appeal on the belt, sorry. Please, if Islam media can reach you, me appeal also, withdraw him over boys, youth, all innocent life go nothing finish. No one let him plant him go. No one let him biru him affect him place na continue go. People stop outside, people around. Still people say Mendi is one of the best provinces of Papua New Guinea. Passing the look several brother stuff. One block pocket, passing the sharing one block pocket stuff. Sharing half scone, half boy, smoke. So passing one block and unity passing way. And so bringing to us okay the Southern Highlands. People stop outside, despite one problem maybe. People stop as one. Please. Me appeal, or political candidates, or we said leader man, you will send a backside law. Is that something become up, you withdraw him. Thinking about the grade 10, amongst the grade 10 student staff, amongst the grade 8 student staff, amongst the grade 11 and grade 12 student staff. Human resources of Southern Highlands and go down, and bagra bogara if this time continue go. Because exam blood stuff close to 2. All but sinan exam go no god, Mibla no save. Ogara schools in Jeto, province have been shut down. Or teachers been involved in accounting, all been involved in slab, so that's why all go stop white. So please, me appeal, withdraw Mogara sign. Ogara sign must go back to normal. Bank must open as normal. Or trade store must open as normal. Respect him law and order inside the province, and go down, and bagra bogara. People listen for so Sabashi Wamla leader, you been or Wamla community or Wamla man, you've been starving inside the slab, or you seem sala force or power or talk, or you've been encouraging molo. Continue the trouble fight na one come out of the place, please. As a young man, people have stopped, people have finished there to Pamla come back to Southern Highlands. Time something them come up say, where will we start? Where will we go? Time people thinking about them, people taking time lumla, own time lumla, sacrificing time lumla, come lo, losing the talks about them, please. So what you want you been take part na, one them lo contribute him na, one them lo affect time and affect him. Please, me appeal. What is gone, I'm go finish. Something bellat, one is any plus so him, go finish. No continue again. Just stop no slab, no lose him, no withdraw back. Let a man medical normal. Our sick must operate. Bus service must go normal. Back to normal. Cash flow must run normal. Marketing must go normal. All teachers must go back to class. All people all work, also living life, all must go back to work. Only your canteen store must open online. Me appeal. But fear of paper, one blast style, one blast side, please. You blow leader, you blow send up, you blow la carry name of people. One is any stop, let him stop. If you send up la carry name of people. What is gone is gone. Please, me appeal. Two blood both sides want them lose him strong, one them property blow lose him, please let him lose him. And then the final but not the least, me call upon, please, government. Me calling one blah SOE must come up quick so that to protect him or lapun or sick man mary or lily or government property remain. One blah SOE must come up. Full enforce security personnel or police or military can go down. So that people must go back and students must go back and class. economy na education na human resource to Southern ma stable of no nala province na star normal logan. Fie na ol poret na star laus na lok na islakain emno gubla. And that's all. So if media can lose you, please make sure you pass him story go on. I must reach him, please withdraw him or something.
Yes, you can look him all this level student law Pacific Adventist University and all Southern Island students all stand up. Now people like making a peaceful protest. Also, some all points all touching penis and all talking penis. Now people have been talk about three things. Number one, or some like issues and come up Mendi. All real issues, plenty of man die. Now plenty of properties all man all been destroyed penis now will burn him down. Alright. This like make him na environment blooming go bagarap, market him go bagarap. All student all no go come to school. Since cutting him start, plenty of students lo Mendi all no been go to school. Now this like affect him human resource province blooming Southern Highlands. Now people all student people start lo people no kalap na kam, people no fly na kam. People start the same, working grade 8, grade 10, grade 12, and then people come to universities. Now, all this all Tarango students all studying and stuff long suppose this lesson didn't go on yet. How old back come to university? Province blooming by needing all plenty human resource. You mean not depend on gold na all some resource will not la province got long. Though you make hard part, all no use him now, all no give people, all no invest lot this la human resource for Southern Highlands. That's why on behalf of all students for Southern Highlands na maybe all nala students lo nala universities lo country like appeal lo sem peace must restore in the Southern Islands na people like him sem this must come up people also appeal lo sem national government na NEC must also declare him SOE lo Southern Islands so that people can rescue him this sinking ship where all man marry all work lo die na if you may allow him this will go on yet plenty all man but die even all leaders lo place blow him to you must come into a one solution one blating thing now you mean thinking about people blowing up come up on the one blating thing now thinking future long generation blow province blowing me now you making all some the right blood decisions plenty or something and back up stuff like all market blowing me law Mendi town plenty also live law this la plenty all man also go store na buy kege long to store pass or hard logo inside na but na buy kege na make him live in ball too so leadership stop you make him some good blood talk come to a solution na yumi kama business lo Southern Highlands this la lili appeal mi pla student lo Pacific Adventist University mi pla stand up together one them mi pla sore all sample line all losing loved ones lo all mi pla also start one them mi pla prayer mi pla na mi pla sympathize one them mi pla again na sample all losing properties too mi pla start one them mi pla too sore straight sample as mi pla can look him lo all the cardboards mi pla halim le ya and mi pla like in peace lo kama business lo Southern Highlands as soon as possible. SOE must be declared in Southern Islands so that peace can be restored. Now, unity must come up through our unified culture in Southern Highlands, and we want to get rid of fear and favor in Southern Highlands. That's why we stand together as one. Let's have long way of Southern Highlands, but prayer plus on them, or people plus Southern Highlands. Milula Kapilo, people plus Southern Islands, now all Narla, all Manmeri, lo Papua New Guinea, that plus give you prayer law Southern Islands, that only can get this peace.
As a president of Pacific Adventist University, I'm here with the Southern Island students. What happened back at home? All we want is peace. As a Papua New Guineans, we strive for peace, and as much as possible, we want peace to prevail in Southern Islands. Representing the students from all over the country. Papua New Guineans, we pray for our people back in Southern Islands with the student leaders here from the Southern Islands. There's one thing we could ask for, and which is peace among the people. We think about the upcoming generations, the facilities they're gonna use. So we appeal to people back in the village, those who are going ahead with the fights and troubles. We appeal that we can put aside all our differences and let's stand together as one, and let us not destroy the properties that were built to help each one of us. So I appeal to the Southern Islands people, those who are back in Mendi, with the fights that are going on, please cut down and let help build a nations that we want peace to prevail, and let's bring us our upcoming generations to be better for tomorrow. Thank you.
We plead for peace in Mendi.